Hey, how's it? Today we're going to be making some dimensional lumber like you would find at a traditional lumber store. And so what I've done is I've taken a slab, cut it to about an inch, and now I want to cut off the pieces that are scrap so that we can create some dimensional lumber. So first I'm going to do is cut off a piece of this sapwood. It's our scrap. We're just going to burn that, and then you got a nice clean edge right here. So with that, it's kind of tricky to do that with a regular skill saw. So that's why we use this track saw. And now we're going to take this piece of lumber and send it through our planer to get a real nice finish. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take the log that we cut to spec, and we're going to get rid of these saw marks. And so to do that, we're going to send it through this planer. And what this planer does is it has some rotating razor blades that slice off just a little bit of a time off the surface, and then you get a nice clean smooth cut. So we're going to send the first pass through, and it's just going to knock off any of the tall stuff, and then we'll do some subsequent passes to knock down the rest of the stuff to get a nice clean finish. Now that we did one pass and you got some tall stuff knocked off, we're going to lower it down just a little bit and start making our way back down to the smooth stuff. One more time. To make sure that we get the board perfectly flat after each pass, what we do is we'll flip it and then rotate it. So now that we've taken off a lot of those saw marks, we have a fairly clean board. Just a few more saw marks here, but whenever it comes to getting rid of all of the saw marks, if some of the saw marks are pretty deep, you don't want to just waste the entire board. So like this area right here would probably cut off and then keep this and maybe go one or two more passes to make sure that we get a consistent board.